Hey guys, welcome back once again. Thank you for stopping by, tuning in. If this is your first time here, please subscribe down below, and if it's not, welcome back. Hey, turn up. Once again, happy new year. This is my second video of the new year. Oh my goodness, wow. So let's get into it. This video today is a shorter video than what I usually make. I know I usually make like 10-minute videos, but I wanted to make this really short to talk to you guys about coming to Hawaii during COVID. Now, I know a lot of people are like, oh, I really want to travel, I really want to go out, I really want to do this and that, but trust me, hunty, just hold your horse. Soon enough, you'll be able to get out, okay? But if you do decide to come out during COVID, these are a couple things that you need to know before you come to Hawaii. The first thing you're going to want to know before you come out to Hawaii, yes, we are doing quarantina. So if you do come out here, you're going to have to quarantine for 10 days. Now, the only way to get out of that would be to do a COVID test 72 hours before you land and have that in your hand at the airport so that it can make sure they mark you off so you won't have to do it. Okay, so if you have to do the quarantine, you have to make sure that you check in every single day for that 10 days on this website that they send you to check in at. Now, if you don't do that, you may be fined or you might go to jail. So you want to make sure either you take the COVID test 72 hours before you land, or you do the quarantina when you get here. Yeah, I call her quarantina because at this point, I don't even know if she's gonna go. Like, now she just got a nickname. But yes, so definitely doing quarantine here or do the COVID test. Next thing to know is that, honestly, a lot of things are open here. A lot of the things during the day are open. The malls are open. The salons are open. The nail salons, that is. But that's all during the day. Nighttime is pretty much dead. The bars, I don't think they're allowed to be open yet, or they have like a curfew as far as how long they can be open. So it's like there's not really anything you can do out here during the nighttime. But if you enjoy doing the water things that I spoke about in my last video, then yeah, come out here. Jet skis, what's the other thing? Sailing, all of that cool stuff is still going on. So come on, enjoy yourself as long as you took your COVID test. Okay? Next, I'm sure you're all already used to this because I think every state is doing this. But anywhere you go, bring your mask, okay? Don't even try to step out the house without at least a mask in your purse ready to put it on. Because everywhere you go, you gotta wear a mask. It's so crazy just to think that this time January last year, we were not wearing masks out to anywhere. We were just breathing in air freely. And a year later, almost a year since the real COVID pandemic took place, which was like March-ish of 2020, ever since then, we've been wearing masks everywhere we go. That is crazy to me. That's like absurd how things can change. But yes, make sure you bring your mask with you everywhere. But yes, I definitely want to keep this video short because I don't want you guys to fear coming out here to Hawaii. It's open. Come out here. Just be safe and make sure that you're following all the COVID guidelines. And that's basically it. So if you guys have any questions, you can hit me up on IG. I know I've had a lot of people hitting me up asking me about, coming and moving here to Hawaii. But if you guys want me to make a video about moving here during COVID, let me know in the comments below. Please, again, subscribe down below. Yes, we're trying to get this back 2021. So, period. Let's get it. Peace.